Hello,
Hello.
this is Uptown Swing.
This is a dare, so we do it in this voice. Everybody, Charleston, level 1, Maddie.
Peter,
We did like this. Leaders with this foot.
Father Wells with you, right?
You go. A rock step kick, a double kick, and a rock step kick, double kick. You could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mais the thing we did next, we partner up, we do the same thing. 5, 6, 7, 8, a rock step, kick step, double kick, and a rock step, kick step. Then you get exhausted and you're so tired. Here's what you do when you're tired. Rock step, slow, slow. Rock step, I'm so tired. Oh, too tired to keep the Charleston. Rock step, slow, slow. The accent is migrating, but it's okay. A rock step, kick, double kick. A rock step, kick, double kick. That's your basic. Then we switch it up. What we do? Kicky steps.
Yes, we go in and out on the kick steps.
Like this. Rock step, kick step, kick step, kick. We go around the room. We chase somebody. Somebody
Out,
chase
in,
us.
out,
Hey, ho. Then we do the woo. We go rock step, woo. Rock step, ha-ha. Rock step, oh la la. Rock step, woo. Then we put it all together for moves that we call
The skip up.
this skip up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock step, kick step, ha-ha. Then we put it in with the whole package. We go rock step, kick, double kick, rock step, kick. We do again. Then skip up. Hey, hey. Woo, we roll back, back. Then a rock step. Woo. That's the whole thing. We see you next week.